When it comes to spark plugs, choosing the right type can make a significant difference in your vehicle's performance and longevity. Today, we're diving into the head-to-head comparison of two popular spark plug materials, copper and iridium. By the end of this comparison, you'll have a clearer understanding of which spark plug might be the best fit for your engine, driving style, and budget. Performance. Copper spark plugs have been around for decades and are known for their excellent conductivity and reliable ignition. They deliver a strong, consistent spark, which can be particularly beneficial for older engines or high-performance vehicles that demand more from their ignition system. However, copper plugs tend to have a shorter lifespan compared to their iridium counterparts. They generally require more frequent replacement, which can be a downside if you're looking for a low-maintenance option. Iridium spark plugs, on the other hand, are a newer technology and offer superior performance in several key areas. The iridium tip allows for a much finer electrode, which creates a more efficient and hotter spark. This results in improved combustion, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Iridium plugs also have a longer lifespan, often lasting up to 100,000 miles or more, compared to the 20,000 to 30,000 miles typical for copper plugs. This longevity means fewer replacements and less maintenance, which can be a major advantage for modern vehicles.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Durability. In terms of durability, iridium spark plugs are the clear winner. The iridium material is incredibly hard and resistant to wear and erosion. This durability translates into a more stable and consistent performance over time. The small, dense tip of iridium plugs can withstand the high temperatures and pressures inside the combustion chamber much better than the softer copper electrodes. Copper spark plugs, while effective, are less resistant to these harsh conditions. Over time, the electrode material can wear down, leading to decreased performance and potentially requiring more frequent adjustments or replacements. This is one of the reasons why copper plugs are often favored in applications where the cost of replacement is a primary concern. Cost. Cost is a significant factor for many vehicle owners when choosing spark plugs. Copper spark plugs are generally much cheaper than iridium plugs. This lower initial cost can be appealing, especially if you're on a tight budget, or if you're dealing with older vehicles where advanced spark plug technology may not offer a noticeable benefit. Iridium spark plugs, while more expensive, offer long-term value through their extended lifespan and better performance. The higher initial investment can be offset by the fewer replacements needed over the life of the vehicle, making iridium plugs a cost-effective choice in the long run. Compatibility. Compatibility is another important consideration. Copper spark plugs are versatile and can be used in a wide range of vehicles, including many older models. Their simplicity and effectiveness make them a go-to choice for certain applications. Iridium spark plugs are often recommended for newer vehicles and those with advanced ignition systems. They are designed to work with modern engine technologies and can provide performance benefits that older spark plug materials might not. However, it's crucial to check your vehicle's specifications to ensure that iridium plugs are compatible with your engine. Outro. Choosing the right spark plug can make a world of difference in your vehicle's performance. Copper and iridium each have their strengths, so consider your needs and budget before making a choice. For the best balance of performance and longevity, iridium spark plugs often come out on top. Thanks for tuning in, drive smart, and keep those engines running smoothly.